Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today in this video we're going to make this fun craft at home. So let's get started. Here we're going to take colorful craft paper. First we are taking this blue color of paper, make multiple folds. Here we're going to give it a shape of flower. So fold it like this on the upper half. Then we're going to fold it like this. Now flip it and again make the flower shape like this. Keep it aside. Similarly we're going to take this green color of paper. Again we are going to fold it like we're doing here in this video. Make two such shapes and keep it aside as well. Take this purple craft paper, fold it like we're doing here in this video. After folding this way, we are going to combine all of these shapes one after another. Fold it into half. We are also pasting this little flower on the front portion. Open it and look, your fun craft is ready. Look at this fun craft. Look at the flower inside the box. Let's get started. Here we're going to take a printed craft paper, fold it from the sides, open it and again fold it from the top portion. Here we're going to make the crease. After this we're going to make two triangular shape. Now fold it till the shape like this. Flip it and again we're going to fold it from the corners. Again flip it. Finally we're going to fold it and make a box shape like this and tuck it inside. Make two such shapes and tuck it and paste it from the sides using a glue. Now keep it aside. Let's make the flower shape now. So take another paper. Here we're going to take this blue color of paper and we're going to put it inside those two boxes. Place a ring or you can also place a flower and it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful mini book at home. You can open it like this. So let's get started. First we are going to take this yellow color of paper, cut it into half. Now we are going to take only the half portion, make multiple folds. This is for the paper. Now we are going to make two such shapes using two different color and tuck both of them together. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make the cover for the book. So take this printed paper, fold it and we are going to then fold it from the sides. You can measure it like this. Now tuck both of them together and look, it's ready. We're also making the handle. Paste these strips of paper on the top of it, paste it and it's done. We are going to make these colorful candies at home, but these are not edibles, but you can gift it to your friends. These look very beautiful. We are going to fold this tissue paper and tear it from one portion. Now take a stick and roll it like this. You can paste it using a glue. After this we are going to color it. We are taking colorful sketch pens and draw different colors like this. Now take another transparent sheet using double-sided tape. We are going to put all of them inside it and pack it, seal it from the top and portion. We're also adding some beautiful glitter paper and look, it's ready. We're going to make this leaf printed and flower envelope at home using craft paper. So take this purple color of paper, fold it from its sides. We are making crease here. After folding it, we're going to open it. Now hold it from one corner and make multiple folds. This is for the leaf pattern. After making this, we're going to gently hold it and flip it and start folding it from the corners like this. And look, your envelope is ready. Let's make the flowers and paste it on the top of it like this and look, your beautiful envelope is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.